Tired of hunting down customers for Google reviews? I'm going to show you how to create a simple link to skyrocket your online reputation in just a few clicks. First, open Google Maps and search for your business name. Make sure you select your actual Google business profile from the search results. Now, locate the share button on your business profile. It's usually near the top, below your business name and address. Click on it. A window will pop up with several options. Look for the copy link button and click it to copy the short link to your clipboard. Now, to make sure the link takes your customers directly to the review section, paste the copied link into your browser's address bar. You should see your Google business profile open with the review section front and center. Copy this new URL from your browser's address bar. This is the direct link to your review section. Now you can share this link via text, email, or even add it to your website. This simple link makes it incredibly easy for your customers to leave those all-important 5-star reviews. Start sharing this link today and watch your online reputation soar. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on boosting your business. #Google Reviews #online reputation.